Hey, hello everyone. Hope everyone is well. Today I will make something special for Ramadan. Let's take a quick look at how it can be done very easily to decorate the house in this Ramadan. First, we will cut a cardboard into an oval shape. Then, we will make a smooth paste with wall putty glue and water. Blend very well until it's smooth paste. Then we need a plastic cone to keep the smooth paste. Then tie it well with the help of girders. Next, we will make clay from the remaining paste. We'll use some amount of wall putty and mix very well. Then we will use a little oil or cream on our hands to soften the clay oil. Now put it in a wet towel so that it doesn't dry out quickly. Now we are going to take a little bit of this clay and cover it again. Then our clay is ready for use. Next, I am preparing some flowers with the help of clay cutter. Wow, it's look like very nice. Now we will cut the cardboard into small pieces. Then we will stick them on the cardboard with glue. Now cut the remaining parts. It will have more water content and less glue content. Next oil, I am applying this glue and cover it with the tissue. Then we will start writing with the prepared wall putty spoon. And viewers, subscribe my channel now to get such creative videos. Then leave it to dry in apply acrylic spray color. It's black. Then I will give a light golden color on top of it. Now the house decoration is ready for usage. Thank you. Have a good day.